These are the best AI video generator tools right now. I've tested all of the best AI text-to-video platforms, so I can finally tell you these are the best there are right now. Whether you want to create the videos for ads, for content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and so on, whether you need it for a trailer for your website or whatever, here's the best, and I will give you one for every use case. So whatever you need to do, you will find the perfect AI tool in this video. The first one is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI that you can use to create AI avatars. So humans or human-looking AI avatars that can speak and perform in your videos for you. Synthesia isn't the only tool that can do this, it is just the oldest one. There is HeyGen and DID as well. So if you don't find your perfect avatar on Synthesia, you can use these other two alternatives. All of these have a free plan that you can use to find out whether this is the right tool for you or whether you might to switch or have to find something else. All of these characters will be generated for you behind a blank background, so you can download it, delete the green screen and put it in front of whatever background you need. Pro tip, by the way, if you use ElevenLabs, the text-to-speech platform, to generate a voice for the character, so you type in the text that you want them to speak, choose a voice, download that MP3 file and upload it to DID or Synthesia or HeyGen, then they will be able to lip sync the character's lips and movements to the audio you just uploaded. So you have the best of both worlds, because AI avatars oftentimes sound really robotic, not really human, and therefore are likely to be exposed really early on as AI avatars. If you want to go around that, then you can use this matchup between ElevenLabs and Synthesia or another creator for AI avatars. By the way, just a second, before I forgot to tell you, these are the average stats when it comes to customer support for a company. I've asked 200 companies, and the average company turns out to take on average 15 hours to answer a simple question. They spend 6 days every month on their customer support just answering questions for clients, leads, or employees, and they spend $25,000 a month on answering these questions. And it happens so that I just found out a way that we can cut this down to under 10 seconds response time, less than 24 hours every month spent on answering questions, and reducing this by $25,000. And I'm gonna give you the solution on how to get from here to here for free. Just click the first link in the video description. Everything you need is explained there. It just takes a few minutes. It is completely free, and it is as well free forever. Go to the first link in the description. Everything is explained in that video, so you can go there and do that if you like. And the next tool is InVideo. And video is pretty much an all-in-one text-to-video platform. You can even create voiceovers for your videos if you want to create, for example, a trailer for your website and have no one to speak it in. You have the option right here. As well, of course, you can choose ElevenLabs here as well. But this is not an ElevenLabs video, but an AI text-to-video video, so you can just use the tool in InVideo as well. InVideo is not the best tool out there to create realistic and stuff videos, but it is really good, and it has the bonus that there is a free custom GPT within ChatGPT of InVideo AI that you can use to create videos inside of ChatGPT. So there you're combining the creativity and so on of ChatGPT and the video generation power of InVideo. Another option you have with InVideo is determine the length of the video you actually want to get out. If you only need a 30-second clip, then you can tell them to only get a 30-second clip. If you need 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you can tell them that as well, and he will create a 10-minute clip with constants and characters and everything. Next tool is Hyper, and Hyper is the tool you go to when you search for something abstract, something not really real looking. Hyper isn't really good at creating real life or really realistic looking videos, but it is good at abstract forms, anime, animation, such stuff. So if you need something more creative, Hyper is the way to go. If you need something more realistic, there is 2 other very good tools to come on this list. One of which being LumaLabs. I imagine you might have heard of LumaLabs because it is the loudest AI tool out there. When you're hearing of something in the realm of AI video generation, then it probably is LumaLabs. LumaLabs currently has the fastest development. There is still a better AI text-to-video tool, which I'll show you in a minute, but LumaLabs definitely is playing with the big players. The realism, the creativity, the constants and characters really is remarkable, not of bad parents, and it has an app as well. So if for every reason you feel like you have to create your videos on your phone, then you can do that. As well, within Lumen Labs you can create unique characters, so full customly create a individual character which will be used constantly in videos. Little bonus before we get to my top favorite tool on this list is Sora. I just put this on here as a bonus because it's likely that you've already heard of it. Sora is OpenAI's text-to-video model. This is the only one you actually have to pay for to access. All of the other ones have a free plan. Sora you need to access with purchasing ChatGPT plus the $20 per month model. Sora is good as well. You might remember a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, when Sora came up, the whole world was flashed by how good Sora is. Still, there is a tool that is a lot better than Sora on this list, but Sora still is good. As I said, it's just the only one that has a paywall. And then here we have it. The best tool. The most realistic, the most constant, the nearly perfect text-to-video tool. And it is nothing less than Runway LM. And Runway LM is currently in Gen 3 of their model, is yet to be beaten in realism, creativity, and so on. Runway LM is the only tool I know out there that is that has the perfect ability to determine physics. Runway LM knows how water moves, how fire moves, and how all of the other physics stuff works. So not only is this looking realistic, it is as well acting realistic. The characters are constant, and really constant. Humans are moving like humans, animals are moving like animals, and physics are working like physics. It can do product animation, it can show emotions and characters, whether that's an anime character or a real-life human. It can repurpose your footage, you can edit within videos, whatever. You can create custom movements within videos. The possibilities are endless. Really, the sky is the limit with the Runway LM. I don't want to glaze it too much. There is obviously still things that can be a little bit better, and we're by far not at the end of the AI development curve. But Runway is pushing up there. So, awesome tool. Try it out for yourself. So now, whatever use case you ever have, you have the best AI tool for it. You can obviously play around with all of them as much as you like. All of these, except Sora, have a free version that you can test, so feel free to play around. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If this topic, AI and chatbots for your business, seems interesting to you, then I have the first link in the video description, made a video on the first step that you need to take to implement AI into your business. As I mentioned before, it is completely free. In the video I explain how I helped many companies with AI. I want to give you that for free. It is free forever, so you can go and click the first link in the video description, watch that video, everything you need is explained in there. So, we'll see us there. I'm excited for you to take this next step.